Hello everyone, welcome to part 113 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the orders module in the admin panel, and we are going to show, not in the admin panel but in the front, and we are going to show the product images with order details. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that we are able to show the order list, and we are able to show the order details as well, after when the user place the order, he can able to see his orders list, and he can able to see the order details. But still the images, product images, are not coming in order details, so we are going to show the product images now, ordered product images that the user placed. Okay, so this is the part 113 that you can follow its instructions under video on 113. Okay, under video you can see the instructions are given. First thing is that we are going to create the get product image function in product model. Okay, so that function, with the help of the product id, we are going to fetch the product images, and that also with the sort order, like the order, like the sort with the maximum number, like if there is the 100 number and 99, 98, 97, then the image with the 100 number will come at the top, means it will be shown as the default. Okay, so this function, I'm going to add this function in product model, so you are required to create this function in product model. So here I'm going to create this function. So after creating this function, we are going to call this function in order details bit file located at the front. Yeah, so make sure we are going to include the product model at the top, and after that we are going to show the product image. I'm going to search for this class where we are showing the product image. So I'm going to replace this div with this one, where we are showing the image. Okay, so yeah, like this, and here you can see that we have called that function get product image that we have created in the product model, and we have passed the product id as parameter, and we able to fetch the product image. Okay, product image of that particular product that the user order for. So we are going to check now. I'm going to refresh, and here you can see that both the product images are coming and the product is same, so that's why the same image is coming here. So we can place one more order here with the different product, so that we can able to see the different images of the product. And I'm also going to add the red t-shirt. So I'm going to place the order for these products, cash on delivery, that we have done so far, and the order has been placed. Now the user will go to the account, will go to the my orders, and here the he is going to check for the for this order. He can see, we can sort the orders via date. Okay, the orders that is having the latest date will come at the top. That also that we can list those orders, so that it will be easier for us to manage. So I'm going to open here the order controller, and here you can see there is we can see it's the order by id, but id will not work here because there is no id kind of column in MongoDB. It's underscore id, but that underscore id is not in a serial way. That is the unique number, the unique alphanumeric number for every order. So in that case, what we can do, we can sort it by the created at date, order by created at, and we can check it once. And here you can see we can do this with every table, with every listing. Okay, both in admin and the front, because we have in Laravel the created at column, so that it will make our task really easy. So you can see the latest order is coming at the top, and we have placed for this order. I'm going to check, and here you can see the two different images, one for the blue t-shirt and another one is for the red t-shirt. Okay, so I hope that you can do this at your end, and in the next part we are going to show the orders in the admin panel. Okay, we are very close to finish this series. Okay, rest of the videos we will really go in fast track and going to finish it so that we can start the new series. Okay, so please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet. The channel name is youtube.com stack developers. Please subscribe the channel for all the Laravel updates, for all the new series, for all the kind of updates and new things. You can also join the channel to get the complete source code. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.